Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Don the Average Joe coming at you with another average video. I am doing a cooking vlog today. Today's cooking vlog is run board number 13. I did my mukbang eating thing a couple of days ago. I posted that, as I can see. But today, I'm going to do another cooking vlog. And what's on the menu today is going to be whole fried chicken, right, with kalaloo rice. All right. And of course, y'all know I like to put my twist on my food when I cook or anything like that. So as y'all can see, I got all my spices, sitting right here, the situated right here, and my cock soup, which I'm gonna put in the rice. My my coconut cream, peeled coconut cream. I'm gonna use parboiled rice. All right, vanilla parboiled rice, and got my chicken over here. All right, I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to wash it, clean it up, get it prepared, and get everything going. All right, I got my my frozen seasoning right here. Of course, my onions, my peppers, my scallions, and of course I froze them and cut them in cubes. So when I need them, I take a cube out and put in the pot, as needed. All right, so let's get this cooking show started. All right.
Bessie, don't make me ball this bitch up on you. You were acting up last night, right? You were acting up last night. As a matter of fact, no, I'm sorry, Bessie. I ain't gonna dedicate this one to you. I'm gonna dedicate this one to that damn Afalabi. Right? He been acting up, so I'm gonna ball this bitch up on Afalabi. And next time I see him, I'm gonna ball this bitch up on him, right? I'm gonna slap the shit out of him like this, slap the shit out of him like that. You know what I'm talking about? That's it. That's what's gonna happen to Afalabi when I see him. Anyway, back to my regular schedule program,
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so the chicken, I cleaned up chicken with some vinegar and water. All right, got it nice and clean. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to split chicken in half. Actually, I'm going to spray it from the breast area first. Clean off the little, cut the butter off, and cut out the little giblets that's inside of it, and so split it right down the middle, and actually, I split it wrong. I should have split it from the back. Dang it, I messed up, folks. But you know what? It's gonna be all good. I can still cook it like this anyway. All right, so cut the part of the neck off. So what I'm gonna do is when I do fry it, I want it laying flat inside the pot, and that's how it's gonna cook. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is give them some seasoning. And get it going. Look, I just ripped out the kidneys. See? I just ripped out the chicken kidney. Ain't gonna need that no more. Ain't gonna need the pee no more, chicken. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is put some spices on there. You can see I got my spices sitting in a situation right here on my counter. All right, I got my pimento. I got my my turmeric, my Indian seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning. Y'all see that right there, all-purpose seasoning. one of them, and then the Maggie all-purpose seasoning. Got some pimento, crushed pimento. Quiet, please. Cayenne pepper. I have some thyme, you know, and all that good stuff. So I'm going to use all these and season. Actually, pimento, I'm going to put in the hot oil. All right, and let me get some flavoring going. So, all-purpose seasoning in there. Just a dab of everything on there. I ain't doing no daggone measurements. I'm a professional chef. I don't need to do no damn measurements. My wife is back here laughing. I don't know what she finds so funny. I guess you don't believe me that I'm a professional chef. Even though I ain't got my own restaurant, I ain't got my own TV show, but I'm a professional cook at home type of dude. And of course, y'all know the ground pimento gives it that cinnamon, you know, type aftertaste. A really, really, really good fragrance to that. Also, some thyme. Put on there. Some very, very good aroma going on in this kitchen. I wish y'all can smell this right now, folks. Some black pepper. What else we got here? Some of my Indian seasoning. I call this right here East Indian seasoning. This is what a lot of the Indians use when they make their Indian curry, the basmati rice. The basmati rice. You know, Indian rice when they make on the Indian food, basmati. This kind of flavor that we use in there. You want eat the bami? The mabe? The bami. The bami. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, the next thing I'm going to do is, well, actually what I've done is I've added some oil, you know, to my pot. So I'm going to let that heat up for a few minutes. Just scoop this over. And I've added a couple pieces of ginger, some pimento beads, and scotch bonnet pepper in the pot, just to give it some flavor. So I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes and heat up. And then I'll put my chicken in there, you know, for it to go and get the process going. So next thing I'm also going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of flour. I'm going to dab some flour on the outside of the chicken, you know, so just give that crispy taste. Because after I'm finished cooking the chicken, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to make the gravy separate. All right, so I want to make it as crispy as possible. So I'm going to add a little bit of flour in there, not a lot, you know, just so just a little, just enough on there to coat the outside, so I can get a little crisp when I do fry it. Almost ready, folks. Almost ready. All that popping going on right there. That's that oil heating up. And I don't know how much degrees it is right now. It gotta be about 200 and some degrees, but you know, it's getting hot. And so a few minutes, I'm gonna add my chicken in there, let that bad boy start frying. Whole fried chicken. That's what's going on down the Average Joe kitchen today. You know, whole fried chicken. Actually, I saw this done. They did that on the cooking channel I watch on YouTube. This guy in Jamaica, stuck on an island. You know, I saw him did this process with a whole fried chicken, you know, at the riverside. And it came out, looked like it came out real delicious. Had a sauce and stuff like that separate. You know, so I'm copying him. All right. So mine's gonna come out better. All right. Yeah. And I add flour to mine. He didn't add any flour to his. All right. So. All right. Oh, you want to see what I got in there? I got some pepper, I got some garlic, and pimento. Yeah. Alright, so here we go. Whole fried chicken. Going in the pot. You ready, folks? You ready? You ready? Alright, there we go. Huh? Yeah. Alright, so I can see that's going. You know what I want? I want one of those Chinese ones, you know, big wok pot in Chinese juice. Yeah, I want one of those.
Chinese,
The wok pot, yeah, wok pot. The wok pot.
Oh, okay.
Hmm? Oh, it's good gravy.
Oh, shit! Wow! Fucking go back, put that down. Oh, get it, John? Yeah, get that! Fling on left, right. That's what yellow broke. Bye! Quick. I'm trying to rot it! I'm trying to fart. Quick! Why? Freaking tail! Bitawan sa soda, children. Bitawan sa soda. Nosa!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to flip this chicken. starting to cook this bird. You know, it seems to be nice and crispy on the back side. I'm going to flip it over to the front and get the front started. Get that cooking. There we go. Allow the underside to cook first, and then I'm going to flatten it out and let the backside on the inside underneath cook. You know, I see the nice color. Let me zoom this camera in so you can see nice color on the outside, nice glaze color on the outside there. Yep. Not too charred. And it's smelling good in this kitchen, I tell you that much. It is smelling wonderful in this kitchen. With all the seasoning, you know, all the spices and stuff like that's on there. With the ginger and pimento, and I put some scallion inside oil, you know, to let it fry up. That's hot. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my rice. Like I said earlier, I'm going to make some caldo rice. I'm going to put some coconut milk in there. I'm going to use parboiled rice. And that's going to be just something simple. Alright, so we get some water in this pot. So what I like to do first, before I add my rice to the pot, I like to add the katsu mix. I'm gonna put some coconut cream in there, and let that cook. You know, let that sit for a few minutes and cook. You know, so I get the flavor of the coconut milk and the katsu. You know, before I put the kaldu and the rice in there. All right, so that usually takes about 5-10 minutes or so. So I'm gonna let that water warm up. That boiling water come to a boil, and then I add coconut milk, katsu mix. Alright, coconut cream into the pot. Katsu mix. After that also, Put the lid on there and let it sit for about 5 minutes or so, or less. You know, until everything dissipates in the pot. Now I'll add my rice and my callaloo. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, next I'm going to do, I'm going to get this rice washed and cleaned and add to my pot. Alright, so I have approximately 2.5 cups of rice in my my bowl right now. I measured it, alright, my measuring container. You know, so 2.5 cups of rice, alright, that should be enough, you know, and I'm going to have some leftovers tomorrow. You know, even though this is parboiled rice, I mean, I wash it anyway. You know, I wash the rice anyway. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is add it to the pot and cut my my callaloo and get the process going. Alright, so one kind of callaloo fully rinsed. You know, rinsed off all the brine or whatever it's on there. You know, so one kind of callaloo fully rinsed. Add it to my pot. Give it a little stir. Put that contraption on there, put the lid on there, and turn that bad boy down. You know, and let it do its work. Let it do its thing. And of course, you folks out there who has made rice before, professional rice cooker, professional rice maker, right? With parboiled rice, it doesn't take a long time to cook, right? So that's the reason why I got my stove down on low heat, and I got both these.
What's the photo for that in the car? Shit. Yeah, I don't know, like, I'm like, I got bad gas or something. You sure do. No shit. I don't think it was some pancakes I had or something. No, it wasn't no pancakes. The pancakes ain't rotting in your belly that fast shit. Something crawl up in your ass and died or something. You smell like cat shit. Damn. Take it open my mouth. Your ass done shitted. You lying. You done shitted in your clothes. Hell, ain't no food to fart. That's stinking. Open this window. My window don't work. Girl, open the window for real though. Open the damn window. The window don't work. All I'm supposed to get is fixed. How can all that stink come out your little ass? I can see what ass big as mine. Hell, dog. Too much stink coming out of it. Shit. I'm so stinky. I'm tasting it. Sorry. Can you turn the vent on? Nah, the vent don't work either. See, you lying to me. No, I'm not. I'm serious. Grandma, my stomach hurt and you here yelling at me like, hell yeah, you stink ass. What the fuck you think? I'm yelling at you showing else because you killing me. Hell, I'm not playing with you stink ass out for you. Grandma, oh my God, have mercy. Grandma. This is what you call some thick funk. It's so thick you're about to cut my nose open.
Alright, so the chicken is half done. It's not fully done yet. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the rest of the seasoning and add to the pot. I'm going to throw out the rest of this oil and all this burnt stuff in there, crispy stuff in there, and get the second part of the whole chicken frying thing going. Alright, I'm going to get that started. So I'm going to get this out of here and add, like I said, the rest of my seasoning in there and I'll get this finished up. Okay, folks. So my earlier when I was doing my cooking thing, my damn battery died, of course, and you know, I thought I put it out. I actually hooked it up to my computer, you know, 2-charge battery, you know, but obviously the damn computer has to be on for the battery to charge, and I didn't do that, so it's been sitting there for hours. I'm thinking that damn battery that charged, but nope. Anyways, I plugged it into the wall unit, yeah, into the wall unit, so it's charging right now. But I just want to wrap up this video, right? And you can see my damn eye, my left eye right there, you know, lid is swollen. Doing a video. Yeah, my left eye right now, my lid is really, yeah, lid is swollen. Yeah, I must be you know, asking what the hell's going on with Donaldson's eye. But my tear duct is infected. Yeah, so you know, I guess, you know, me you know, working in a hospital or wherever, you know, what the hell's going on right now with all this COVID-19 and all the germs and shit like that flying around. I kind of rubbed my eye, well, using dirty hands, touching the doors, door handles, light switches, and all that stuff, and kind of rubbed my eye. You know, and of course, tear duct got infected. All right, but I thank God it's not pink eye. Yeah, but anyway, I'm on antibiotics for it and whatnot. You know, so hopefully it clears up soon. But anyways, you know, I actually wanted to show me, you know, having dinner, my wife and I, you know, with the meal that I made. You know, of course, I see I made whole fried chicken, right, with some kalu rice. You know, us Jamaican we call it kalu. Americans we call it spinach, Jamaican spinach, right? Actually, yeah, it came out real delicious. My wife enjoyed it. She ate the damn chicken bones and everything. You know, we have some leftovers, so I'm gonna have that tomorrow for lunch, right? But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. All right, if y'all enjoyed this video, you know, my cooking video, give me a thumbs up, right? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, share, right? And you know, give you voice and support. Also, you know, check out my my merch. You know, DonTheAverageJoe.com, where I have my merch, my shirt, t-shirts, and whatnot. You know, don't make me ball this up. You know, and of course, the one I'm wearing right now, I can see Don the Average Joe. I can see parts of that. You know, Don the Average Joe. You know, go on my website and purchase those. Right, those are all available, short sleeve and long sleeve. All right, price and all that stuff is on the website. All right, so like I said, make sure y'all check that out. And you know, thanks for your support. You know, I'm trying to build my channel, trying to quit one of these daggone jobs. You know, trying to cook as much as I can so I can make some damn money. You know, quit one of these damn jobs. You know, and of course, my daggone eye look like my daggone wife done punched me in my freaking eye. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this video up. All right, until next time. All right, y'all take care of yourselves. All right. Like I said in past videos, you know, with this COVID-19 coronavirus thing going on, you know, a whole lot of people are dying out there. A whole lot of people are getting sick. You know, especially older folks, they're dropping like flies. Younger people are recovering. You know, but as far as I heard, people who has experience having the daggone coronavirus, is horrible. It's like having the flu. Yourselves, you know, love one another, you know, loving your kids, love your wife, love your neighbors, love your enemies, and all that stuff. All right, this is Don the Average Joe. Once again, thanks for watching my channel. All right, peace.